Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Morphe Me monthly brush subscription. This is the February subscription that I received. Now a little bit about this subscription. It does cost $19.99 a month and they do charge tax, so I did pay $21.65 for the subscription. I signed up for it January 24th. That same day that I signed up, I did receive an email saying that I would be placed on a waiting list. And then a couple hours later that same day, I received another email saying that I was taken off of the waiting list. So great, super exciting. Again, that was January 24th. I received my brushes February 1st, which made me really happy because I thought I was going to be receiving the January brushes, but I actually received the February ones. So I received them the first day of the month. Perfect, made me super happy. So this is what the package looks like. It's just a bubble wrap package. Again, the subscription is $19.99 plus tax, so it did come out to $21.65. They do give you the option of signing up for 6 months or 12 months at a time. Now, the cost-wise, it doesn't save you any money as far as from what I saw. If you sign up for 6 months at a time, it's $120. If you sign up for 12 months at a time, it's $240. However, with the 12-month subscription, they do give you $50 in extra beauty products. I don't know what that really means. I didn't see anywhere what that actually entails. So it does say they give you an extra $50 in beauty products, but as far as for the monthly subscription, you're paying the same price whether you sign up for a month or 6 months at a time. Cost, it didn't change. So that's just information for you guys. Also, if you use my referral link that I will be leaving in the description to sign up, you'll receive an extra brush and I'll receive an extra brush as well. So if it's something you guys are considering doing, go ahead and sign up with my link. So this month it did include, so again, a package looks like this. It does come with a little brochure to tell you what you're going to be getting that month, or a description of the brushes. Now in today's box I did receive three brushes. I was trying to find what line these were from. I think I saw somebody post that they're from the Elite line, but I was trying to look for it again and I couldn't find it. So if you guys know what line these are, from what line this is, let me know please in the comments down below, because I want to say it's Elite, but I'm not exactly sure. So let's go into detail with each of the brushes. So the first brush is the E23, and this is the Deluxe Blender. So this is what it looks like here, and it does have so this is plastic, black plastic here. This is like a titanium kind of color. I don't know what color this is, but it's not gray, it's darker. It's actually a really pretty color. And then the bristles are maroon. If you guys can see that, it's maroon, gold, black and white bristles all mixed in there. And this is synthetic hair. It's not natural animal hair, it's synthetic, but the bristles are extremely soft. And on the brochure, it does say this is a Deluxe Blender. Start off your Valentine's Day glam with the Deluxe Blender. This dense dome brush will give you warm and fuzzy feelings as you blend shadows on your crease for a flirty look. Ooh, warm and fuzzy feelings. Who doesn't want warm and fuzzy feelings as you're blending that eyeshadow out? So there's that one. Now this one does have a value of $8. So there's that one. And then the next one is the E61, and this one is a Pointed Highlight. Same, it's from the same line. It has a maroon tip on it, same thing. I love that it has that different little detail, that it's maroon on the tip. It could have easily all been the golden brown color, but they did add that little detail, which I absolutely love. These I have not used, so this is the color that they actually come in. And this says the Pointed Highlight for a romantic glow. Use the pointed highlight to enhance your cheeks, your nose, and your Cupid's bow. This tapered brush will give you a mesmerizing finish for a candlelit dinner with Bae. Aww. Bae is gonna love the highlight you get with this brush. Same thing, super soft texture, the color of it as well. I absolutely love it. This one has a value of $8, so now we're at a running total of $15 for the two brushes we've gotten so far. The last brush that we received is a tapered blush brush, and this one is the E34. Same detail on it with the maroon tips on the bristles. beautiful, beautiful size. It's actually a really, really nice feeling brush. They feel very sturdy. They don't feel cheap, like they're gonna break in your hand or fall apart after, you know, a few uses. The bristles as well, I haven't seen any shedding. I've been running my fingers through this because I love feeling different textures, and this feels like you're petting a cat. You know how it's so soft, like, oh, you just want to close your eyes. It feels so soft. That's exactly what these feel like. So the bristles on it is really, really soft, and I haven't seen not one piece of shedding come, any bristle come off of it, which is great. Now on this, it says it's the tapered blush. Add a rosy flush to your cheeks and contour and powder your face using this tapered blush brush. These soft bristles will have you so smitten you'll think you were shot by Cupid's golden arrow. Morphe, stop, you're being so cute. So this is what the brush looks like. I absolutely, absolutely love it. So that's what the 3 brushes are that I received this month. It was, oh, actually this one has a value of $17.99. So $18 plus $15, you're at what, $33. You pay $20 for the subscription or $21 for the subscription. So it's great value to get. My personal opinion of this is this. So I'm new to the makeup world. I've always worn makeup, but I've never really paid attention to how I wear it or put it on or what brushes I use. I just kind of slap it on and, you know, call it a day. So with this subscription, I feel that it's great for people that are trying to start a brush collection or trying to learn how to use different brushes. And the reason I say that is because I actually went to Ulta and Sephora last night, and I was looking for a soft brush, you know, something similar to this but a little bit bigger. And I go up to where they have the brushes, and there's like, let's say, I don't know, 60 different brushes. It's so overwhelming for me. I don't know what brush to use for what. I just like, oh, I like the textures, it feels so soft, you know? But there's so many options, and I get, you know, you can use any brush for whatever you want. You can use this to put on lipstick if you want to, if that's how you feel. I wouldn't, and maybe you shouldn't, but if that's how you feel, then go for it, you know? But me personally, I want to learn what brushes are used for what, because I do notice as I'm using different eyeshadow brushes, I do notice that, you know, your eyeshadow looks different, it applies differently depending on what brush you have, and it's something I never really paid attention to. So having, you know, somebody pick these brushes and send them to me and say, hey, this is what you should be using them for, it helps me learn, you know, what kind of brushes to look for, what brushes are for what. It's just helping me learn. I don't know if that makes sense, but for me, I feel it's great for people that are starting that collection. Even if you already have your collection, it's always great to get, you know, fun surprises. But personally, I feel if you're somebody like me that doesn't really know what goes with what or what to use for what, and you're kind of trying to, you know, learn the basics, signing up for a subscription like this is great because they give you these brushes and they say, look, this is what it should be used for, and now you know, okay, this is my blender brush, let me try to use it for this, you know, or, you know, let me try to blend, and then you'll see what difference it makes using the different brushes for what they're meant to be used for or what they're suggested to be used for. So I personally recommend you guys, you know, sign up for it. I'm gonna keep signing up for it for a few months and see how it goes, how I feel about it. I was supposed to be receiving a free brush since I signed up through somebody else's referral link, but I haven't received it. So I will be emailing Morphe to find out about it, but that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button down below. Tell every single person that you know on planet Earth about my channel. And thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. I really do appreciate you guys. Any comments, suggestions, concerns, you know, anything you guys might have, leave it in the comments for me down below. I do regularly check my comments, so let me know what you guys think. There's quite a few exciting products that I am gonna be testing out, so let me know if there's anything you guys want me to see or want to test or, you know, anything like that. Again, I really appreciate you guys being here, taking the time to watch my channel, and remember, you guys can leave any comment that you want down below, but I am very, very sensitive, so please try not to hurt my feelings and please try to be nice. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.